Hi everyone, it's Andrea at Two Cool T-shirt Quilts. Millie is putting a t-shirt quilt onto the long arm machine. Her next step is to cut batting.
So my quilt is a 64 by 80, so I use the short roll.
Okay.
And I have a little cheat sheet over here. 64 is 5'9", so I clear this.
That is a little counter.
And I pull off 5'9". I'm at the end of a roll.
Almost out. And that
Is how the cookie cuts. Wrong saying.
there it is. It cuts it off. Oh, didn't get the beginning. And that's her batting. She pulls it out of the drawer, and the drawer goes back in.